So welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you to fix gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After your PC restarts, log into the game and check if controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update your controller driver. So for that, you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, restart your PC and then check whether the controller is working or not. Next method is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input and then launch the game and check if controller is working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select disable Steam input and then check if controller is working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update, click on check for updates and it will check if any update is available. After updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check whether Gamepad or controller is working or not. Some other troubleshooting tips to follow: clear cache on Steam. So go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. Confirm it. After that, log into Steam, launch the game and check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. If using wired plug for your controller, then unplug and replug it. Also suggested to use big picture mode for Directive 8020. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here in the above section you can see big picture mode, click on it. After you enter big picture mode, click on the play button of the game and try to play the game. After that, exit big picture mode and then check whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. So using these methods you can easily fix Directive 8020 gamepad or controller not working issue. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.